So my Arcane Society subscription came. Let's see what's inside. So I believe this is the January box. So the author was Karina Hall. Artwork. Another artwork. Welcome, dearest readers, to Arcane's Blood Orange book box. I was so excited when they reached out and asked if they could feature my beloved vampire Valtoom and his witchy love Dahlia. I adore this duology and love that not only is it reaching new readers, but the books are being showcased in such a stunning way. In case the books are new to you, Blood Orange is a retelling of Dracula, but I use that term lightly. Valtoom Amanoff is a vampire who eventually befriended the author Bram Stoker. It was his friendship and his confession to the author that gave Stoker the idea to write Dracula. Not to mention, Valtoom had loved a woman named Mina, later reincarnated as Lucy, and his best friend is another vampire called Dr. Abraham Van Helsing. After Dracula was published, Valtoom himself gained notoriety amongst the vampire crowd. He also got the attention of the Guild, a group of witches whose sole purpose is to hunt vampires. Then to Dahlia, a vampire-slaying witch who has been sent to Venice, Italy, in disguise as a music student to try and get close to Valtoom, now a music professor. But even though she was sent to kill him, the closer she gets to Valtoom, the more her mission is compromised, and the closer she is to learning the truth that will shatter her world. Now, are you ready for it? Beware, these books have bite. I hope you enjoy these special editions, and thank you so much for reading. Karina. This is the pin. It's cute. And the books. This is the 5-month subscription, and they always give you 2 books. This is my second box from them. So the first book is Blood Orange. Just this one. It's the first book. It's the back. The edges. It's the naked hardback. And papers and the signature. Gives you content warning. And they always do like chapter headings. Every chapter has it. And the other side is the same. The reversible dust jacket. That's the first book. The second book is called Black Rose. I can get it open. This one's giving a hard time opening. This one does not want to open. Come on. Second book, Black Rose. It's the back. Edges. The naked hardback. And papers. This one's not signed. Gives content warning again. And chapter headings. And all the chapters have it. The back end papers are the same. And the reverse dust jacket on this one. So that's the two books for this month, well, December, January's books. Blood Orange, Black Rose, and the edges together.